Hi, welcome to Obsessing Over Stuff. Let's talk about Shania Kapoor and her recent projects. 1 week back, they dropped the teaser announcement of Tu Ya Main, starring Shania Kapoor and Adarsh Gaurav. The entire unique concept of it, following the catchy BGM, attractive location, and the way it was shot, it grabbed a lot of attention because it was different from the usual movie teasers that we see in Bollywood. That teaser looked so interesting that people started appreciating Shania Kapoor for her acting, saying she looks promising. But what is the reason that suddenly she's getting so much admiration? Let's break it down. सबसे पहले तो let's understand हमने इससे पहले शनाया को और क्या-क्या करते हुए देखा है. We have seen her doing various ads and endorsements, but she has always been trolled. So let me tell you the reasons that ऐसा क्या था पहले that Shania was always trolled so much. Reason number one, the first ad that she did around 3 years back. Shania का जो first advertisement YouTube पे launch हुआ था, that ad was for a hair straightener. Now she had to play a dumb character in the ad, and usme bhi the way she was acting, she looked even dumber.
Pretty? Or should I eat it a little bit more like whatever it is, huh? So you tell me, is it looking fine? Hair should look nice, huh?
Cut.
Did you get it?
That ad was a joke. जिसने उसकी पहली इमेज को इतना stupid बनाया, people notice that वो कितनी fake acting कर रही है. She also called trolls saying that star kids are already being targeted for being dumb and talking like Barbies. उसमें that was a very stupid choice for her that वो अपने पहले ही ad के लिए ऐसा dumb character choose करे और focus में आए. I mean, first impressions matter a lot, especially when people are already judging you for being a star kid, and when they already have a mindset that star kids can't act. So her dumb choice attracted a lot of disapproval from the audience. Secondly, when she was next seen in the series of Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, the way she was talking, she sounded exactly like Ananya Pandey.
How mad has your mother driven you in the last 3
Shania, pack your pajamas, pack this, pack toiletry. I'm like, bro, I know, I will pack it.
She keeps on telling me, bro, ऐसे मैं तेरा बाप हूँ, bro.
उस टाइम पे अनन्या पांडे ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा ट्रोल हो रही थी because of her acting skills and the way she spoke. So when people noticed that Shania talks exactly like Ananya Pandey, that was again a point of criticism for her. थर्ड रीजन ये था that शनाया कपूर ने बहुत ही यंग एज में जो एक्सट्रीम लेवल की कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरीज कराई थी, दैट वाज आल्सो द रीजन फॉर हर ट्रोलिंग. See, I am not judging her for her surgeries. It's obviously a personal choice. But at a very young age, she started to look completely different from what she was looking before. She has gotten a nose job, facelift, lip fillers, and whatnot. It is not a very good thing to go through these procedures at a young age. It can lead to skin necrosis, organ damage, and whatnot. There is a reason people always appreciate and are attracted to natural beauty. Anyways, so these are the three reasons that I feel that people judge her a lot and she got trolled a lot. अब तक जितने भी अपीयरेंसेस शनाया ने किए थे, चाहे वो एड्स हो, डांस हो या एंडोर्समेंट्स हो, शी कुडंट मेक अ गुड इंप्रेशन. उसी वजह से लोगों को एब्सोल्युटली जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी फ्रॉम हर व्हेन इट केम टू हर मूवी डेब्यू. So now what happened is क्योंकि लोगों को already zero expectations थी from her, the fact that she looks so different and she can even act slightly better from what she was doing before in the teaser, that is getting her so much appreciation. Now I will tell you two reasons why Shania Kapoor is being recognized and appreciated for this teaser. Reason number one, and this will make sense to all of you and I'm sure you'll all agree. All the star kids, literally each one of them, good or bad, they have made their Bollywood debut from a romantic movie. If you talk about the 90s star kids, be it Ritik making his debut or Kareena in a romantic drama in a first film, later star kids like Ranbir Kapoor, Tiger Shroff, or Sara Ali Khan, all making their debut in a romantic movie or an action romantic movie. And if you talk about the latest crappy slot that we have, then all of them have selected the most easiest glamorous roles, like mostly of college kids, like Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, Khushi Kapoor, Suhana Khan, Agastya Nanda, Ibrahim Ali Khan, Ishan Khattar, Sunny Kaushal, everyone. All of them have made their Bollywood debut from a romantic movie, starring in a school or a college love story, which has now become so boring to watch. वैसे भी बॉलीवुड में सिर्फ रोमांटिक मूवीज एंड एक्शन मूवीज ही बनती है 90%. It is not like Hollywood, where you have hundreds of thrillers and horrors releasing every year. तो क्योंकि इंडियन ऑडियंस ऑलरेडी हमेशा से पक चुकी है, आदत है टू वॉच द क्रैपी लव स्टोरीज, a thriller movie announcement comes as a breath of fresh air and catches many eyeballs. This teaser looks so catchy that it's getting so much attention because they're trying something new. Shania की dialogue delivery.
तू या मैं?
लेकिन टकराया कौन? तू या मैं?
डेस्परेट कौन है, तू या मैं?
पता है इतनी अच्छी क्यों लग रही है डायलॉग डिलीवरी? Because of the captivating location, appealing background song, and the entire look of the scene. Plus, that something thrilling is going to happen. I am sure you guys will agree with me that अगर ये सेम टू सेम डायलॉग वो हीरो को कॉलेज के कैंपस में खड़े होके बोलती विद सेम लेवल ऑफ एक्टिंग स्किल्स एंड सेम डायलॉग डिलीवरी तो कुछ खास नहीं लगता, कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आता. It would have looked like just another Starkid getting launched with a high budget big banner set, nothing else. यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ लोकेशन हटा दो और थ्रिलर टच हटा दो तो ये सेम टीजर विल बिकम बिलो एवरेज इफ इट वाज जस्ट अ रोमांटिक मूवी. So the reason why Shania is getting so much appreciation right now is because of her different movie selection. People are happy to see कि कम से कम ये कुछ डिफरेंट तो अटेम्प्ट कर रही है rather than just an easy glam role. यहाँ पे भले ही उसका ग्लैम रोल है पर एटलीस्ट एक थ्रिलर मूवी में यू कांट जस्ट एक्ट एंड डांस लाइक अ कॉलेज मूवी और अ लव स्टोरी. यू विल नीड टू शो योर एक्टिंग रेंज एंड इट डज लुक चैलेंजिंग. कोई भी एक्टर who tries something off bit is always encouraged. Plus the actor in this teaser is also acting incredibly good. सारे फैक्टर्स को कंबाइन कर दो, डिफरेंट जॉनरा, डिफरेंट लोकेशन, म्यूजिक एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ शनाग कपूर गेटिंग लव फॉर दिस.
चोरी चोरी यूं जब हो आंखें चार क्या होता है.
ट्रस्ट मी इसका आधा क्रेडिट तो म्यूजिक, लोकेशन और सीन को डिजर्व करता है. Second reason as to why Shania is looking so good is because look at the recent Bollywood launches. It has been absolute shit. Sara Ali Khan still can't act and still hasn't improved even one bit.
तो अब नहीं होगा वीर,
क्या हो गया जोई?
तुम मुझे तंग करने लगे.
Hey, Ma, just chill, okay?
They just can't act. You know, people had high hopes from Suhana Khan, considering she's SRK's daughter. But she acted so bad, so bad, so atrocious that people have started appreciating Ananya Pandey. The recent Star Kids have shown no talent and no range. एक बार भी उनको देख के नहीं लगता that they can ever reach the level of रणबीर कपूर और करिश्मा कपूर in acting. मतलब उनमें वो बात ही नहीं लगती, वो दम ही नहीं लगता जो आपको एक्टर्स में देख के फील होना चाहिए that they can pull off any complex roles when they can't even act in a glam comfortable role. People have stated that the bar has been set so low कि लोगों को शनाया की एक्टिंग अच्छी लग रही है because the bar is very low. जब सारे के सारे recent launch Star Kids have shown no skill and are absolute trash, तो ऐसे में कोई अगर थोड़ी भी एक्टिंग कर दे तो हमें लगता है कितना सही किया है. सच तो यह है that Shania Kapoor did get lucky with this movie. बिकॉज रियलिटी में तो वो खुद भी धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की एक रोमांटिक मूवी बेधड़क से ही डेब्यू करने वाली थी. इट्स नॉट दैट शनाया कपूर की कोई ये स्ट्रैटेजी थी या ये बहुत स्मार्ट है टू थिंक दैट आई वांट टू ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट, आई वांट टू टेक समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग चैलेंजिंग, दूसरे स्टार किड से कुछ डिफरेंट करना है. नो, she was all set to make a debut with a romantic movie with Dharma. But unfortunately, this film kept getting delayed for some reason or the other. 2 साल से फिल्म अटकी हुई थी. Shanaya's mom also stated that उसके launch डिले होने की वजह से Shanaya was very upset and stressed. Now this movie is getting released. So indirectly, this movie came as a blessing in disguise for her. I can guarantee that if she had made her Bollywood debut from Bedharak, then there is no way उसको इतना appreciation मिलता. Lastly, I just want to say that Shania does look promising in the trailer, and I'm so happy to see that she's finally getting launched. I really hope that this movie truly turns out to be interesting, like it's appearing to be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.